friends, I'm so glad to meet you back. I was so excited to make this video. I couldn't make this video because of some reasons, but then I know the last video that I made was on Thursday or Friday, I'm not sure, but this video has taken a lot of time. But yes, I am back. My daughter is keeping me pretty busy, but then I removed time for you, and I have now, she has started with a new timetable. I don't know, for her sleep. All her routine has changed now. So I was just trying to know that routine, and then as I have known it, now I've got time. I'm making this video. So, yes, welcome to my channel, which is Mrs. To I. And yes, if you remember the last time I had told you that I had the 5th month anomaly scan, everything was normal except the baby's weight that was shown in it was just 400 grams, and all my family members were very scared. They were like, only 400 grams, what is it? The baby's weight, you were not eating all those things. And just to specify one more point, in your pregnancy your weight grows from 10 to 12 kilos. So when I had started the pregnancy, I was 48 kgs, and till the end of my pregnancy I was 60. Wow. Okay, so yes, my weight was increasing, so we consulted the doctor. The doctor said till the 5th month your baby's all the parts are being formed. After 5th month the baby starts gaining weight. So that was sorted. After that I had one more 4D scan. I had told you the difference. 4D is a bit, it is a colored scan. You can see the baby or the fetus growing a bit in a better way, and that is only 2D is black and white. You can't see most of the parts. In 4D most of the parts are visible to you. Yes. So now, turning back to my journey. So 5th month was done, 6th month, 7th month. 7th month I had my baby shower at my in-laws place, and I came back to my mother's place after that. um, After the 7th month I had a sonography again. So in that the doctor told me the liquor or the amniotic fluid which covers your baby is reducing. That is why I had told you in the video where I had specified about the diet that please hydrate yourself, please drink a lot of water, please have a lot of coconut water. As for me, I had a lot of tender coconut ice cream, but not coconut water. That was the problem. So, just telling you from my experience, please hydrate yourself a lot, because as your pregnancy progresses, this problem would occur. So yes, 8th month, and then 8th month I think it was fine. So normally 8th month sometimes you start having contractions. So for that, because I was feeling tightness in my abdomen area, the doctor gave me another tablet so that I don't feel contractions very soon. And 9th month started, I had one more sonography done. In that the doctor told me that the placenta has been calcifying. um, that made me scared, because she said if it start calcifying, your baby won't get the oxygen it needs, which is for growing, and also your baby won't get the nutrient it needs. So I was a bit scared, but then again, we recommended another doctor. He said that happens as your pregnancy progresses. It is not something that you should worry about. So one thing I'll tell you from all this, please don't stress yourself on all these things. Every doctor would tell you different things. Every doctor has a different way of looking into things. Their opinions would be different. I would specifically tell you, believe in yourself and keep a positive attitude. And stress, I mean, this word stress is something that will cause a lot of, bad effects. So, in case if you don't want all those things, I request you, please don't stress about anything. everything will go fine if you don't take stress. So in between my 9th month, my mother had one more baby shower for me, and it was like a Thanksgiving prayer actually, because as you know, after a lot of things uh, I had this baby conceived, and as I have always told you, I wanted to thank God for all of this. Please ignore this light that is coming. It is afternoon, and the windows are open, and I don't know. I am not, you know, uh, good with all this lighting and okay. I hope you've understood it. Yes. So my due date was first it was 24th of December, then it came to 21st of December. In the 9th month, when you do the sonography, they give you another I mean, sometimes the due date changes according to the growth of the. Okay, my whole avatar has changed, but I wanted to end the video, and I couldn't because my daughter was crying. You can hear her sound now as well. Please ignore it. So, yes, the due date changes if the doctor feels that your child has grown properly. Then sometimes the due date does change. For me, as I said, it was first 24th, 21st, and then it was 19th of December. So with this I will end the video. In the next video we would get back with the information like uh, when did I deliver then. Was it after 19th, before 19th? Did I have a C-section? Did I have a normal delivery? How is a C-section? What is a normal delivery? And many more things. If you have any more queries, please put it in the comments below. And for now, please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.